Hello everyone, we've got another unboxing. Again, 2 boxes to go through. Let's see what's inside. I didn't get the packaging out yet, so bear with me. Well, we get that alright, let's go. We've got Rick Mofina paperback, talking books, Philippa Gregory. Let's see, Lilac Girls. I've heard good things about that one. We've got some DVDs. Morona's Fantastic Tale, that looks cute. Mira Royal Detective from Disney. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. Never, Rarely, Sometimes, Always. DVD. Got CDs. Let's see what talking book this one is. Isabella Land, Along the Petal of the Sea. Another talking book, Lisa Wingate. All right, we've got more paperbacks, Colleen Cobble. Jesus and Buddha. Oh, we got more DVDs here. Irresistible. Summerland. Oh, You Had Me at Hola. I've heard that's a good rom-com read. Coming Up for Air by Sarah Liebert. Not even going to try. The Big Blizzard. On Death and Dying. Don't Tell Me to Relax. Looks like we've got a middle grade fiction, Aggie Morton, Mystery Queen. Cure for White Ladies, looks like maybe a good read. Diana Palmer paperback. Ian Reid, I'm Thinking of Ending Things. The Griffin Poetry Prize. The Only Good Indians. We have Unicorn Diaries, The Goblin Princess. Let's see what's tucked in here. Oh, a French book on Quebec. Another Timo adventure graphic novel. The Boy Who Followed His Father into Auschwitz. Colleen Cobble, One Little Lie. The Hanging of Angelique. Take a Hit, Dan Brown. Another popular rom-com. Oh, and the latest in this series by Joy John, The Couch Potato. We like his books here. Another Look and Find book during nighttime. All right, so that was our first box. Let's get that out of the way. And let's unbox this one and see what we've got in this one. It's even bigger, so lots again in this order. They're still trying to catch us up from the shutdown. Looks like we've got a lot of adult stuff in this. Monogamy, Sue Miller. Seagate by Jane Johnson. Oh, this box is backwards. Let me just turn it around, make my life easier. Sean Hannity, Live Free or Die. Daniel Steele in large print. The Golden Page. Oh, it's signed. Let's take a look. Signed by author. Christine Freehand, Dark Song. Nonviolent Communication. Winter Counts. The Mountain Sea. Look at that cover. Isn't that gorgeous? It's Brenda Novak's Christmas novel. The Cold Millions, Jess Walker. Truth Be Told by Beverly Nicole Flynn. Florence Adler, Spring Forever. Jim Butcher, Battleground. Find some spots for that. Mary Higgins Clark, Piece of My Heart. Looks like she's also adding extra authors to her books, like James Patterson. The Seven Habits of Highly Effective People, the latest edition, I guess. Ember and the Ice Dragons. We've got the latest Full Metal Alchemist. We're catching up on all those. Watermelon Snow, Lynn Cornby. The Life of Timothy Finley. We've got The Forgotten Daughter by Joanna Goodman. We've got Philippa Gregory and Ben McIntyre stuck at the bottom. Reaching. Polar Vortex, Scotiabank finalist. Lots of award-winning ones in here. Lovecraft Country, based on the HBO series. We have David Bergen here, The Dark. We Two Alone by Jack Wang. Colleen Cobble, Two Reasons to Run, and tucked underneath, another Shark easy read book. We have Cameron Hurley, The Light Brigade. Ooh, food junkies, yes please. It's Recovery from Food Addiction. I guess that's also good. Tools of Engagement, Tessa Bailey's latest in her series that we've been getting in. Deadly Education. I think this one is described as an adult Harry Potter series. The Radix. So many books. Let's see, Little Cruelties. Liz Nugent. We have Fantastic Tales of Nothing. I believe that's a graphic novel. Rush in the 70s Anthem. Ooh. For all you Rush fans out there. Lisa Unger, Confessions of the 745. And let's see what's tucked here. We have Land, Water, Sky, and Rubent Sinner, Ivan Coyote. And that's everything. 2 full boxes. Look at all these new books here. Let us know if you'd like anything and we'll put it on hold for you.